In the competitive world of real estate, standing out isn't just a strategy, it's a necessity. Today, we're diving into a game-changing solution that not only saves you time, but also elevates your client engagement. Welcome to the era of personalized communication with Google Sheets Script. Time is money, especially in real estate. Imagine being able to send customized emails to clients without the manual effort. With Google Sheets software code, it's not just a dream, it's your reality. In this fast-paced market, personalized communication is the key to client engagement. With Google Sheets software code, you can tailor your emails based on client preferences, creating an immersive and personalized experience for each client. What if I told you that Google Sheets seamlessly integrates with other Google Workspace tools? It's a cohesive solution to maintain client data in Sheets, personalize emails with scripts, and even track interactions in Gmail. Your business operations just found their perfect match. Google Sheets allows you to create and update templates easily, ensuring your communication is not just efficient, but consistently on brand. Your way. Personalized emails don't have to break the bank. With Google Sheets, you achieve the same level of personalization without the hefty investment. Why spend more when you can achieve more with the tools you already have? Google Sheets offers you flexibility and control. Adapt the code to suit your specific needs, ensuring your email campaigns align seamlessly with your unique real estate business strategies. Stay top of mind effortlessly. Google Sheets software code lets you set up automated follow-up emails, nurturing relationships, and increasing the likelihood of future business. It's like having a virtual assistant working around the clock. Concerned about getting started? Fear not. Google provides ample training resources and a supportive community. Quickly learn the ropes and discover how to make the most of this powerful tool for your real estate business. In the competitive world of real estate, having an edge is non-negotiable. With Google Sheets Script for personalized emails, you're not just keeping up, you're leading the way. Unleash your competitive edge today. Ready to revolutionize your real estate communication? Dive into the world of personalized emails with Google Sheets Script. Click the link below to get started and take your client engagement to new heights.